Good afternoon, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 1999 Ford F-250 7.3 liter Super Duty diesel. We're going to do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine, we'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be, and then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. I'm trying to get both angles for you here as well so you can see for yourself without a doubt the condition. This saves a lot of time on both sides, so it's a big reason why we like doing it. As you can see, it does have the lift. Get down here on tire size, but it'll focus for me there. It is the long bed, extra cab. As you can see, it does have the tow pack there. Bed liner. Focus for me. Come on, you can do it. Sorry about that, guys. There we go. Tow mirrors. It also has the power running boards as well, and I'll get to that here in a moment when I open up the driver's door. We're going to get the condition on the inside. It is a U.S. truck, by the way, as well. This is a local trade-in from a veteran of ours. As you can see, he put in the new style grill on it. Alright, let's get to the inside here, and then like I said here, I'll show you there, it has the power lift gates there, or not power lift gate, the power running board, sorry about that. Alright, power windows, power locks. Let's get to the condition of the cloth here. There are no tears or rips at all. The center console there, you can see it was repaired a little bit right there. Normal wear. It has a third row, or the third seat in the front row, so if you need a seat 6, you're able to. Let's get the passenger seat. Sorry, I'm really reaching here. Let's get to the back here. Rear slider. Let's get to some features up front. As you can see, it does have the tow assist. I believe that's a pressure gauge down there. It is a manual, as you can see. We got the steering wheel controls. We got some aftermarket, looks like brake, tow assist stuff. This is the CB 4-wheel drive aftermarket stereo. All of that there. Alright, well, let's take a look under the hood before we turn it over. Hopefully I can manage this here with one hand. There we go. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Alright, now I do say this in my videos all the time. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I do like to get this in here the best I can for you. And again, I'm really reaching here, guys, so hopefully I'm getting it in here for you. Now, all of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, inspect for oil leaks, all of those things. So please keep that in mind. You know, I would encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau, our Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business. Well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. We really do take care of our product and our client, and that includes after the sale. And that's huge for us. There's a mileage there. The little wait to start light. Wait for that to turn off here. There we go. Make sure it's in neutral. Brake is on. There we go. Not rolling anywhere. Alright. Let's get out here so you can hear how it sounds. Close this up here. Burn along beautifully. 7.3. for you. Well, hopefully this helps, guys. Yeah, again, hopefully it helps answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever I can do to help, I'm happy to do it. Just give us a text or a call and I'll get that over to you. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your day. Bye.